And joining us now is criminal defense attorney Brian Claypool. Brian, thank you for being here. Let's dive right in. So Jason Willick writes in the New York Times that he thinks Hunter Biden will be a drag on Democrats. Do you agree?
Hey, Kelly, great to see you again. I think he's going to be a drag from the standpoint of he is getting preferential treatment. The optics aren't good for President Biden. Why? Because this plea deal that Hunter Biden got is a birthday gift. It's not the type of plea deal, Kelly, that you or I or others in this community would get. And I think that's going to hamper President Biden this election. It's not so much that there's evidence right now tying President Biden to Hunter Biden's dealings. It's the preferential treatment. It's the unequal justice that Hunter Biden's getting that other Americans wouldn't get. That is going to hamper President Biden in this election. People are going to look at him and say, why is your son getting special treatment when others are not?
And that has been the argument from many. There have been others that have pushed back saying that this was fair treatment. But I hear your point. And to your point, what do you think, Brian, Democrats need to do to put the focus back on President Biden and not his son moving forward?
Well, what they have to do is get this plea deal done, right, with Hunter Biden. It fell apart last week. And it fell apart because the image the DOJ gave to the community and people across the country was they were arguably in bed with Hunter Biden. I mean, Kelly, in my entire career, I have never seen language in a plea deal that says, hey, we're not going to investigate you any further. We're not going to charge you for any further crimes. That arguably is unconstitutional. And the trial judge said that. You can't contract away your rights to prosecute somebody. DOJ's got to do their job and follow the evidence. And they haven't followed the evidence. I mean, you have a WhatsApp text a few years ago from Hunter Biden to this guy at CEFC, who's arguably a Chinese corrupt company, where Hunter Biden's saying, hey, you better do what you got to do. My dad's sitting here, or else something's going to happen. And then 5 days later, Hunter gets $5 million sent to a bank account. Why isn't the DOJ investigating that? There was a search warrant that was going to be served on his home. That was never done. Nobody ever looked at the laptop of Hunter Biden, despite an expert clearing it, saying it wasn't tampered with. So that's the problem Democrats are going to have to deal with in this election. But they're going to have to put this plea deal to bed. And in order to do that, Hunter Biden is going to have to give up some concessions. He's going to have his lawyers say, okay, look, you can continue to investigate me. And if there is evidence of another crime, then I will be subject to being indicted on that. That's the only way Democrats are going to get rid of this.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find News Nation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of News Nation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.